Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 45 AMG 4MATIC with the remainder of its factory warranty. The Benz badge is immediately recognized as a symbol of luxury and prestige. The AMG CLA 45, with its 2-litre turbocharged inline 4, delivers powerful performance and paired with a seamless and fast-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission will deliver effortless acceleration that is guaranteed to impress. The cabin of this AMG is loaded with many additional upgrades, including the AMG Red Cut exclusive package, which includes the Designo red seat belts. With Bluetooth navigation, backup camera with blind spot and lane keeping assist, 8-inch color display upgrade, selectable drive modes, convenience, driver assistance, interior and Premium 1 packages, MB Tech's upper dash and door trim with top stitching and Dynamica inserts, multicolor ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof. The exterior features a custom exhaust, 19-inch AMG multi-spoke black wheels, upgraded brakes, AMG ride control, sport suspension and a spoiler. To see the full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience the AMG performance for yourself. You will find it has agile and athletic handling, spirited acceleration and precise responsive steering. The exhaust note is thunderous. This all-wheel drive CLA 45 is loud and loaded. If you want all of the luxury, street appeal, performance, comfort and space wrapped up into one look-at-me package, then this is your next AMG. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.